Welcome. In this video I will show you how to open on-screen keyboard on your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So, in case you use your device in the tablet mode, you simply have to tap on any text field, and this will open the on-screen keyboard. If you are using the physical keyboard, you have to press Windows Ctrl and O buttons, which will open this kind of on-screen keyboard, also called the accessibility keyboard. And the last option is tapping on this keyboard icon on the taskbar, which will open your virtual keyboard in any place, basically. If you want to open any of these keyboards in settings, you have to go to Start menu, Settings, then for accessibility keyboard, go to Accessibility, then find Keyboard in here, and switch on the on-screen keyboard like this. And if you don't see the virtual keyboard on your taskbar, you have to go to Personalization, then Taskbar, and here you'll find your touch keyboard. Make sure to change its value to either when no keyboard attached or always, to make it appear on the taskbar in your current mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.